Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today you are going to learn social science civics class 7 chapter 2 role of the government in health. Point is healthcare and equality. Is adequate healthcare available to all? Adequate means satisfactory. In India, we face a situation where private services are increasing, but public services are not. What is then available to people are mainly private services. These are concentrated in urban areas. The cost of these services is rather high. Medicines are expensive. Many people cannot afford them or have to borrow money when there is an illness in the family. Some private services encourage incorrect practice to earn more. At times, inexpensive alternatives through available may not be used. For example, some medical practitioners are found to prescribe superfluous medicines, injections, and saline when simple medication may suffice. In fact, barely 20% of population can afford all the medicines they require during an illness. Hence, even for those whom one might not think as being poor, medical expenses cause hardship. It was reported in a study that 40% of people who are admitted to a hospital for some illness or injury have to borrow money or sell some of their professions to pay for the expenses. For those who are poor, every illness in the family is a cause of great anxiety and distress. What is the worst is that this situation tends to happen again and again. Those who are poor are in the first place undernourished. These families are not eating as much as they should. They are not provided basic necessities like drinking water, adequate housing, clean surroundings, etc., and therefore are more likely to fall ill. The expenses on illness make their situation even worse. Sometimes it is not only the lack of money that prevents people from getting proper medical treatment. Women, for example, are not taken to a doctor in a prompt manner. Women's health conquered are considered to be less important than the health of man in the family. Many tribal areas have few health centers and they do not run properly. Even private health services are not available. Students, what you learn in this point? I repeat now. Is adequate healthcare available to all? सेटिस्फैक्ट्री है हमें हेल्थ केयर अवेलेबल जो है उससे? is adequate means satisfaction है, healthcare available to all. This point we are discussing healthcare and equality. Two services are available, private and public. Private services increasing, they are concentrated in urban areas. Cost is high, medicines are expensive. Due to this, many poor people cannot afford them or have to borrow money when there is an illness in the family. Private services encourage the incorrect practices to earn more, prescribing expensive medicines, injections, or saline even when it is not required. Fact and figure showing problems in healthcare facility. Only 20% of the population can afford all the medicines that they require during an illness. Medicines expensive cause hardship even for the middle class people also. 40% of people who are admitted to a hospital for some illness or injury have to borrow money or sell some of their possession to pay for the expenses. Poor, illness, poverty, expenses. Many times, woman's health is neglected. Woman's health conquered are considered to be less important than the health of man in the family. Problems in tribal area. Understood now, students? Students, end of part 5. Today you have learned healthcare and equality. Now next you will learn what can be done. Okay, students? Now take care, stay home and stay safe. Okay?